Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Let's make a no-knead Easter bun. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. I do like my bun during Easter, but living abroad, it's very difficult to find a nice tasting Easter bun. Therefore, I usually make my own. And the one I like is the one with yeast, and it can be a bit time consuming to make. But there's also another way of making it, and it's a no knead or very little kneading, and it's much quicker, and it doesn't give you the cake-like taste. It does taste like the bun I like. Now, if you'd like to see me do that, then continue watching. Today we're going to make a little to no knead Easter bun, and in my cup right here I have a tablespoon and a half of active dry yeast, and I'm going to add some water, warm water, and put it away to proof. Now it's time to get our other ingredients ready. Now if you look at my previous video, you'll find the ingredients there. 3 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of jam. Any jam will do. Here I have a tablespoon of marmalade and cherry jam. Now 1 cup of soft brown sugar. Now I'm going to use a Malta instead of Guinness or Dragon. You can even use water if you want. 1 tin, and this tin is 330 milliliters. 2 tablespoons honey, a tablespoon of molasses. You can add more, but it might be bitter, so be careful. 1 teaspoon of almond extract or essence. Be careful, because some can be very overpowering. So I'm using a teaspoon. That will be about it. So we're using a tablespoon of vanilla and the same amount for browning. I don't want mine to be very dark. I want it to look brown, but browning can make your food bitter also. So that's it. I don't need any more. That's it. Now I'm going to take this over to the stove and slowly mix until it is dissolved. Now we're going to mix until the butter melts and the sugar. Now I'm going to give my egg a quick whisk. Quick whisk. That's about it. Now I'm going to pour into this mixture. Then add my yeast. Now we'll be using some nutmeg, a teaspoon of this. Teaspoon. Cinnamon, same amount. Little over a teaspoon. Ginger powder, same amount. Now we blend. Here I have 5 cups of bread flour. You can use plain flour. Distributing the flavors in the flour. Now here I have some pre-soaked fruits. You can see a little wine at the bottom. Now I'm going to try my best not to let the wine get into the dough and add it over there. Let's go. Now we have that done. We're going to pour a mixture now. I'm making sure that all the flour mixture is blended in. Now it's very soft and this is what we want, yeah? Now I'm going to pour some oil. I'm going to pour some oil. Just a little oil to the bottom because I want it to rise and I don't want it to stick all over the pan. So I'm putting it, easing it down there to the opposite side. I'll do the same. Now I'm going to put this away. Put it away in a warm place, depending on the temperature where you're at. It might take an hour or more. Where I'm at is very cold, so I'm going to wait until it's doubled. Alright, so we're going to take it away, cover it nicely and put it in somewhere warm. I'm going to put it in my microwave. This took about 2 hours to double. As I said, the place is very cold. And then I use my spatula to deflate it. I've sprinkled some flour on my board so that when I pour the batter out or the dough out, it will not stick to the board. For this amount of dough, I needed 2 tins. So I pour it out and section the dough to fit each tin. One of the tin was much bigger. I'm using my finger to fit, just shape it nicely, and I've oiled my fingers and I'm just shaping the dough because I want it to look almost like a nice, well shaped bun. So you can do that. You don't have to, but you can do that. Now after you've done this, cover and place in a warm place. Now it's an hour later and it's time to put our buns in the oven, the middle of the oven, for 1 hour at 160 degrees Celsius. Now here you have it, no Knead Easter Bun. Now this Easter bun is just as good as the last one. The only difference is I didn't place any fruits on top because I wanted to be a distinct difference. And I placed the fruits inside. So it's very fruity, extremely moist. It didn't give you a cake-like texture. It gave you that bun-like texture. I'll just serve with our Jamaican cheese. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.